If Microsoft Edge is showing a server error in the /application, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through 2 quick fixes that can often solve the problem in just a few minutes. This is a common issue that can happen when a website has a bad session, corrupted cookies, or cached data that is causing Edge to load the page incorrectly. The good news is that you can usually fix it without any advanced technical steps. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. It really supports the channel and helps me make more step-by-step guides like this. Alright, let's get into the first fix. The easiest thing to try is opening the website in a private window. In Microsoft Edge, go to the top right corner and click the 3-dot menu. From the menu, choose New InPrivate window. This opens a fresh browsing session without using your saved cookies and cache. Now go back to the website that is showing the server error and try loading it again inside the private window. If the page opens normally here, that usually means the issue is related to your regular browsing data rather than the website itself. This is a very useful test because it helps you confirm whether the problem is being caused by stored data in the browser. If the site works in InPrivate mode, then the next step is to clear your cookies and cache in the normal browser window. To do that, switch back to your regular Edge window and press Ctrl Shift and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Here, you want to make sure you are clearing cookies and cached files, because those are the most common causes of this error. You can leave other options alone if you want, but cookies and cached images and files are the important ones for this fix. Make sure the time range is set appropriately, and if you are not sure, choosing all time is often the safest option when you want a full refresh. Once the correct options are selected, click Clear Now. Edge will remove the old stored data, which can help fix broken sessions and corrupted page files that may be triggering the server error. After the cache and cookies are cleared, close Microsoft Edge completely and reopen it, then return to the website and try again. In many cases, the error will be gone at this point, because the browser is now loading the site with fresh data instead of old or damaged information. If the website still does not work, repeat the private window test one more time to make sure the issue is not specific to your account session. Sometimes logging in again after clearing cookies can also help if the site requires authentication. These 2 steps are simple, but they solve a lot of Microsoft Edge website errors, especially when the page worked before and suddenly stopped loading correctly. So just to recap, first open the site in an InPrivate window, and then press Ctrl Shift Delete and clear your cookies and cache in Edge. If this helped fix the error, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.